Hello students, welcome to Anupam Public School and channel. Today I am going to teach you class 9th history chapter 2nd socialism in Europe and the revolution of Russian society. As I have taught you in the previous video about the European revolution, first of all, in this chapter I want to tell you important characters of Russian revolution. First character was Tsar Nicholas II. Second character was Karl Marx. Karl Marx was a great philosopher in Russia, and the third character was Lenin, who took the whole command of Russian revolution. Next, fourth character was Stalin, who increased the development in Russian society. After that, I want to tell you the Russian Revolution of 1917 was known as Bolshevik Revolution. This revolution changed the society of Russia. After that, I will discuss about Romanov dynasty. Romanov dynasty was ruling from 1613 to 1917. After that, I will tell you the Russian Empire. As you know, Russian Empire was a vast empire. I will discuss about its regions as Russian Empire's regions. Russian Empire's regions as Lithuania, Ukraine, Estonia, Georgia, and some parts of Portland. I want to tell you the Tsar Nicholas II, Tsar Nicholas II, Tsar Nicholas II ascended on the throne in 1994. In 1994, Tsar Nicholas ascended on the throne on 1994, and he was ruling on the throne till 1917 to 1917. He was ruling in Russia from 1994 to 1917. After this, I will discuss about Russian society. Russian society. There were some major religion. There were some major religion in Russian society. First was Russian Orthodox. Russian Orthodox. Second was Christianity. Second was Christianity and Muslim. Next, Protestant. And Buddhist. They were the major Russian societies. After that, I will discuss about the occupation of Russia. What was the occupation of Russia? I want to tell you, the Russians were totally dependent on agriculture. About 80%. Occupation of Russia. The population of Russia was depend on agriculture. About 80% population. About 80% population was depend on agriculture, and they export the grains to the other European countries also. While other European countries, they were not depend on so much agriculture. They were only 40 to 50%. 50% were depend on agriculture. So, I want to tell you, the industrialists and handicrafts were in less number, and the handicrafts and factories of Russia was established in cities, but the sanitation of city was not good. So they have to face the difficulties of sanitation. I will discuss about condition of Russia till 20th century. Condition of Russia. Condition of Russia till 20th century. Condition of Russia till 20th century. I want to tell you, there were, despite of difference among the workers, workers have different opinions. Some feel that I am greater than others. So they were clashing to one another to showing their superiority. And next point is exploitation. Exploitation. I want to tell you, the Tsarist rule dismissed the workers without any kinds of notice, and their working condition was not good in Russian society, and they paid them small wages. So they were facing lots of difficulties in Russian rule. After this, I will tell you, there were some thoughts at that time. There were three thoughts in Russian society. There were three thoughts in Russian societies. First was liberals. First thought was liberals. I want to tell you who are liberals. They wanted a nation. They wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. They wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. They wanted equal rights. Radicals opposed uncontrol of dynastic rule. They wanted parliamentary government. It means liberals wanted parliamentary forms of government, but they do not believe in universal adult franchise. Non-property and women no rights to vote. They were not in the favor of non-property and women to rights to vote. And next thoughts were radicals. Second was radicals. Radicals, they wanted government of majority. They wanted government of majority. Radicals, they wanted government of majority. They opposed the privileges of landlords, factory owners. They opposed the privileges, जो भी privileges थे लैंडलॉर्ड के, फैक्ट्री ओनर्स के. They opposed. They support women suffragette. In the liberals, they were not in the favor of women, but here radicals were in the favor of women. They wanted women also to the right to vote. And next thoughts were conservative thoughts. Conservative thoughts. I want to tell you who are the conservatives. It means the people who believed in the old thoughts, or you can say the emperor, monarch, they were in the favor of conservative. Conservative people opposed both liberals and radicals. They opposed the both radicals and liberals. They wanted changes in the society, but they wanted the changes should be gradually. Next, I will tell you all political parties in Russia were illegal. They were working, they were ruling according to their will. Here I will discuss about a person who came forward, Lenin. Lenin, in the leadership of Lenin, people came forward, people spread the newspaper, they started a strike, and in 1904 there were two parties in Russian society. First was Bolshevik, and second was Menshevik. I want to tell you who were in the Bolshevik and who were in the Menshevik. Bolshevik means dictatorship, and Menshevik means democracy. The people of Bolshevik, or you can see that Tsarist rule was Bolshevik. Bolshevik people want to rule according to the old system, but Menshevik people wanted to establish democracy system. So I will tell you what were the causes of Russian Revolution. Causes of Russian Revolution. What were the causes of Russian Revolution? First, I want to tell you Russian-Japanese War. Russian-Japanese War in 1904 and 5. The main causes of revolution of Russia was Russian and Japanese War in 1904 and 5. Due to this Russian-Japanese War, prices of essential goods raised. जो भी essential goods थे उनके prices बढ़ गए. So worker demanded better condition. So the people were demanding better condition and wanted their wages to be increased. But over next few days, 1,10,000 people came forward and they striked and they demanded working hours should be 8 hours. Working hours should be 8 hours, as before this the workers were working 12 to 15 hours. So on this strike, police came and fired on the people, wherein 100 people killed and 300 wounded. This incident called Bloody Sunday, which you can say Bloody Sunday. So I want to tell you students, this incident is very important for your question. Bloody, the question is raised in your examination. What was the Bloody Sunday? It started after this incident. It started series of events known as 1905 revolution. Tsar, after that Tsar formed Duma. After that Tsar formed Duma. Duma was a form of government. Duma was a form of government which was elected consultative parliament. But first Duma was suspended after 75 days. Then third Duma was formed and that was also suspended. Next, I will discuss about actual revolution of Russia, which was started in Feb 1914, whom you can say during the First World War. So you should know when was First World War was happened. First World War took place in 1914. At that time, there were two groups whom you can say GAT versus BFR, which means GAT means Germany, A for Austria, T for Turkey. We in three countries, and in the opposite side BFR, B for Britain, F for France, R for Russia, wherein 20 lakh soldiers came forward in 1917, and due to a long war, there was the crisis of economic and food shortage. So the soldiers were dying due to the food shortage. So soldiers and workers demanded abdication of Tsar. So at that time in 1917, Tsar abdicated from his post, and his rule end with this soldier and workers advice. After that, I will discuss about consequences of Russian Revolution. I want to tell you what were the consequences of Russian Revolution. First of all, I tell you the most important rules of Bolshevik was end, and there the system of socialist government was established. Next, the government took under its control all means of production, nationalized all small and big industries. As a result, within a few years, Russia emerged a powerful empire, and he established industries, etc. I hope so you will learn lots of knowledge by this video. Thank you. That's all.